How to pay on Weverse. So if you want to pay on Weverse, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Weverse. Make sure that you've logged into your application. Now once you've logged in, on the top or in the bottom left, you will have a shop icon. You need to tap on shop, then scroll down a bit and go and select an item that you would like to purchase. Like for example, I'll go with the first one right here. After selecting, you need to scroll down a bit and you will find a purchase option. Tap on it and you can go with the version, size, and then go with purchase again. But before that, you can also select the amount. You can click on the plus button right here on the right side. After that, go with purchase. Scroll down again and it will ask you to select a payment method. You can go with either PayPal or any other options. You'll also have WeChat Pay. Tap on pay or accept and pay, which will be on the bottom. And here you need to add your customer information and then your shipping address before that. So go with add on the right side and then you need to add your customer information, which is your name, your last name, and then your email address and your phone number. After adding that, you need to add your shipping address. Click on add, which will be on the right side, and then add your name and then shipping country or your region, then your address, your city, and everything. After that, go with save, which will be on the bottom. And once done, you'll be able to pay on Weverse. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.